Hello, kids. So today we're going to be learning about wisdom. You know, I have two friends and they are called Parrots. So, wait a minute. They're not happy. What should I do? Should I continue? Continue, listen? I think I need to listen to them. Now, I'm going to ask my friends what's the problem or what their problems are. Come along with me. Let's ask them. I'll start with my little one. So, cutie, what is wrong? What is the matter? I don't have toys. Toys? What about giving you toys? Okay, thank you. Yay! You see? He's happy. Good. Let's ask the other one. Cutie, why are you sad? I don't have toys. Toys? Yes. Okay. What about me giving you toys? Yes. Thank you. You see, they are both happy. You see what I'm talking about? Wisdom. This is just wisdom. Listening to that friend that is sad and helping them is wisdom. Making good choices to help others is wisdom. Being kind is wisdom. Wisdom is not just knowing things. It's using love, good. Kindness, good. And good choices to help others like my friends. So notice that when you show love, kindness, and good choice by helping others, you have wisdom. You are smart. Okay? So let's learn to be nice, kind to that friend and respect their boundaries and their feelings. Don't forget to touch the subscribe button and see you next time. Remember, I am strong. I am the best. I am blessed. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I have the joy of the Lord. The joy of the Lord is my strength. See you next time. And thank you so much for watching. And God bless you.